Did you know that you don't always have to use red peas for Jamaican rice and peas? You can use different types of beans, which we actually call peas in Jamaica. For example, I've cooked rice and peas with cranberry beans, sometimes cowpeas, and even black beans. No matter which you choose, you still end up with a flavorful, delicious pot of rice and peas. And here's a little secret. To make it even more tasty and unique, use a very mature coconut, the one we call bone dry. Why? Because the natural oil in a bone dry coconut is more concentrated. It gives the rice a creamy, delicious, and unique taste that a tin of coconut milk just can't touch. So, next time you make rice and peas, don't be afraid to experiment with your beans, or as we call it, peas. You might just discover a new favorite.